These are 3 intermediate tricks to learn on a trampoline.
Okay, so basically, to ball out, you're already gonna want to be comfortable with your front flips, being able to land them consistently. So you're gonna want to front flip onto your back. Well, this is the easiest way to do it. You could just do it, like jump onto your back and do it, but I think it's way easier to front flip into it because you get way more momentum. It's just way more easy. So you're gonna want to front flip, land on your back, and then you want to swing your arms forward and tuck in your legs like a front flip. And you want your rotation to be really fast so you can actually land on your feet, because technically it's like a front flip, like 1.5, like half, 1.5 front flips. Okay, so for a ball out, another tip is just land on your back and then front flip and then land on your back again. Try not to land on your neck like I almost just did, but after you do this a few times and you get comfortable with the forward rotation, then you can just swing your arms, commit, and land the actual full ball out. Ah! And then once you get really good at them, you can start doing combos like double ball out, or like ball out half, ball out full, stuff like that.
A good intermediate trick is called a kaboom. It looks something like this. A kaboom is basically a pullover, but you hit your legs and you go backwards. Prerequisites to this trick is you obviously want a backflip and a pullover. You can do those pretty comfortably. Step 1, land on your back and make sure to get the timing right with hitting your legs like this. If you do that, you should automatically kind of go backwards. Now, if you're having problems with this, really think about looking at your legs in the air so you can hit them on the tramp. Being able to spot your legs is very helpful for this trick. Second tip, when you land, hit your legs as hard as you can and push up with your arms and look backwards, kind of like this. If you put everything of that together, make sure to hit your legs hard and good timing, you should have the kaboom down pat. Okay guys, so for our third and final trick for intermediate flipping is we're going to be learning how to do a back full, which will look something like this. A back full is just a back flip with a 360 spin in it. Now a lot of people think this trick is really hard because it kind of looks difficult, but as long as you do it correctly, it's not hard at all. Your first step when learning it is you want to get comfortable swinging yourself over your shoulder, like so. If you can consistently do that, and you can make the full 360 rotation, all you have to do is keep working yourself backwards and backwards and backwards until you end up like this. Another trick you can do to progress into a 360 backflip or a back full is called a back half or a Arabian.
An Arabian is a backflip 180. It looks something like this. That trick, in my opinion, is kind of difficult to learn, but if you can get that, then your back full should be no issue. An Arabian is kind of just like a half backflip into a front flip, which is pretty simple. If you kind of can just do this, it's the same thing, just higher up. For a couple of cool combos you can add to back full if you're playing a game of flip or whatnot, is you can do a back handspring into a back full, which would look something like this. After you get the back full, you can even add some more spins if you'd like, something like this.
You gotta be serious, man. Oh.